Guys, buen dia. Good morning. Today I have only 10 euro session. Si sound di 10 euro. 10 euro numero 0 a 4. 20x obviously is matching number game. Okay. We're looking for 22, 15, 25, 29, 25. Ay, 22 is winner. 19, 18, 23, 17, 34, 33. I didn't want to show my ugly nails, but... 13. One match. 4. Of course. Coffee money, as expected. So far, I have 2 euro, as expected. We're looking for 29 y 11, 14, 24, 35, 27, 12, 32, 18. No? Ay, 29, back to back. Woohoo, back to back. I hope it's not coffee money. Back to back coffee money. No. I went to from 0 to 3. Ay, Lord, Sika. Okay, how much? Again, 2 euro. Otra vez. Again. Okay, so coffee money as expected. So I got 4 out of 10. Let's go to 1. We're looking for 31, 33, 34, 13, 23, 22. Ay, 33. So it's back to back from the 0 and 1. Wow. 30, 18, 32. Ay, 2x and a match. Wow. Interesting. 2x and a match. This is... Uy. Ay, Zika. I win the jackpot, but it's a wrong number. Ay, dois. Okay, so this is a 10 euro win, guys. Back to back to the 0. The same book. This is a 10 euro win. Wow. 33, 2, mais... And then I have so many wins. Okay, so I have 2 euro here. I have 2 euro here. 3 winning tickets. All winning tickets I scratched. Nice. So I got 14 already. We're looking for 22, 16, 24, 32, 33, 21, 30, 23, 28, 35, 34, 11. So this is the first ticket that is not a winner. 22 and 16. Okay. If this is a winner, it's crazy. We are looking for 24, 33, 22 that I needed in the last ticket. 34, 27, 32, 14, 30. I like this new 20x, guys. Seems generous. 11, 17. And the last number, 29. Okay. 24, 33. Okay, so it's a good win and a 2 euro ticket. It's 10 euro. So x4, 8 plus 2, 10 euro. Plus 2. Back to back with 1 and 2 and 0. So 12. Mais 2, 14. 4 euro lucro. Wow. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you.